In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with Freshsales. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can get up and running quickly. Zapier is a tool that connects your apps and automates workflows, and Freshsales is your CRM. By linking the two, you can automatically move data when something happens in Freshsales, saving time and reducing manual entry. Start by opening Zapier and clicking Create a Zap. You'll usually see this button on the main dashboard. A zap is just Zapier's name for an automated workflow with a trigger and one or more actions. We're beginning with the trigger, which tells Zapier when to start the automation. When Zapier asks for your trigger app, search for Freshsales or Freshsales Suite, depending on which version your organization uses. Type the name into the search bar and select the one that matches your account. If you're unsure, check what your team uses in your CRM login screen or settings. Choosing the correct app ensures Zapier can pull the right data from your CRM. Now, pick a trigger event. Common options include new contact or new deal. A trigger event is the specific activity in Freshsales that will kick off your automation. Think about the outcome you want. If you plan to send a welcome email or log a lead in another tool the moment someone is added in Freshsales, choose New Contact. If you want downstream tasks whenever a sales opportunity is created, choose New Deal. You can change this later if you realize a different event is a better fit. Next, connect your Freshsales account to Zapier. If it's your first time, Zapier will prompt you to sign in or authorize the connection. You'll likely need two pieces of information: your Freshsales domain, often referred to as your subdomain, and an API key. You can find both in your Freshsales profile or API settings. The domain identifies your specific Freshsales workspace, and the API key allows Zapier to securely access it. Make sure you have the right permissions to generate or view an API key. Treat the key like a password. Don't share it publicly, and store it securely. If your organization manages keys centrally, you may need an admin to provide one with the appropriate access. Once Zapier validates your domain and API key, your Freshsales account is connected. From here, Zapier can listen for the trigger you selected and hand off that data to any other app in your workflow. That's all you need to integrate Zapier with Freshsales and set the foundation for powerful, automated processes.